Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2R and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the airplane, and this is the airplane mode icon. If you want to enable the mode, tap on the icon, you will see the message airplane mode on, the icon will get highlighted, and if you go back to watch face, you will see the airplane mode icon, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable it, open the quick panel, find the airplane mode icon, tap on it, you will see the message airplane mode off, the icon will go back to gray color, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.